Good evenings, good afternoons, good morning, whatever time you are watching this from right now in this moment. You are tuned in here on Beyond the Surface. Kyk jy ons was quite a time, ons was nog as langlas op die lig gewees. It was a tyd gewees. I can testify of that. En ek weet die manne saam met my hier on Beyond the Surface tonight can testify that it was quite a ride. I believe and I know that all of us is good. First and foremost, julle weet vanaand is ons ingetune. Soos ek gesê het, was nou al 'n tydjie gewees en baie dinge het gebeur, baie dinge het verander. There's a lot of stuff that happened. But I'm so blessed and I'm so privileged to be back in the studio tonight and just to come and speak a little bit. Guys, ons het niemand anders as die gesaghede in die huis, and I'm gonna let them introduce themselves, but I know that you know them already. Leadership, how are you, sir?
Oman, goeienaand. Zayden, goeienaand Lilian. Goeienaand aan onze audience, onze followers, onze viewers out there. Oman, ek is alright. Sa voorrecht weer om hier te wees. Allemaal ken my as Sandile Kwaiman, die visionair van Beyond the Surface. Maar het is goed om hier te wees na lang tyd. Ons was so lang laas, maar ons vertrou dat ons gaan consistent wees in future. Maar ek is blij om op die program vanavond te wees saam met julle. Ja.
Yeah, man. Chibo, Ace.
Groete allemaal. Blij om vir julle te sien.
Ons sien hulle.
Ek sien vir julle.
Okay.
Ek sien vir julle.
Okay.
Maar dit is goed om weer terug in die studio te wees, man. Baie nice, baie wonderlik. Ek het nog eens gesmag na die studio, joh. Broers, dit was op al so lang tyd wanneer ons nog laas in die studio.
Nou die ding is, die volk ken mos eintlik so lekker jou gesig, man, verstaan?
Kijk,
Is mos weer hy behind the scene, man, en alles daai tipe dinge. En goed, speaking about behind the scenes, there was quite a few stuff and quite a lot that happened behind the scenes. I can definitely tell you that from now going forward, we are only going upward. And so you can be expecting to see our faces, to see and hear of us. For ons gaan quite active wees. I believe that we all had a great time in the absence waar ons nou nie hier kon uitgekom het nie. And but like I said, we moving forward and ons move op a rapid speed. So tonight we are literally just talking. Like you know, we come and we talk and this is raw, ons praat and we analyze and we dive deep. We dive deep on tonight. I believe the last time we came here, we spoke about your environment and meestal growth. If we look in the state that we are at now, specifically in our economy, in our mindsets, wherever we be finding ourselves now. As ons moet kyk, alles wat begin, enige visie, anything that starts, that happens, there has to be a start with it. But before the start can even begin to manifest, there has to be an imagination. And therefore, if we, it immediately takes me back to Genesis 1. For in the beginning, en dan gaat ons aan. No, jy moet verstaan, everything he spoke, he first had to imagine it. And so when we think of how this podcast started, if we think about how any business started, they first had to envision, they first had to see it within the subconscious for it to manifest into the reality. And so we're going to talk about that and we're going to touch on growth. This podcast had to start with into an imagined first. So eendag wat Sandile moes my gesê het, oh man, kyk hier is die idee. Where does it come from? From your imagination. And so I believe and I know that the power of your mind is that is phenomenal. To add on that, growth. Ja, maar hoe link die? How does that even come to to intertwine. How? Yo, hier julle verstaan nie. Hier my woordeskatte, jong. Woo! How does that even intertwine? How does that even come together? If I had to ask you, what is your take, and any of you guys can answer this, what is your take on growth before I even say what I want to say?
Honestly, growth is a vast thing for me. Specifically because it encompasses and it touches so many things, because to grow, your environment is an important factor. Because who you surround yourself with, where you grow up, can have an effect on you. And I'm not meaning in the sense of, okay, just because I love here, now I'm going to end up like this. No, because I love it, and in spite of me loving here, I'm going to strive for greater. So your environment is an important aspect of who you are. It's really, in my personal belief, environment matters a lot. And now, besides that, I personally believe that to grow, you do need to have a dream, have a vision, have an imagination. You need to believe in something far greater than yourself, because at the end of the day, to grow, you need to look beyond what you currently have, what you currently are, what you currently see. You need to strive for something beyond your belief, beyond your imagination, beyond your dream. It's genuinely a fact where you need to go outside your comfort zone.
Beyond the surface.
Beyond, bruh.
Beyond
Like
the...
move.
Yo!
Genuinely, you do need to move beyond your comfort zone, beyond what you can see.
Beyond what you can perceive. I agree with you on that take. Leadership.
As soos Jayden nou sê, en ek kan agree with it, om te groei moet jy moet droom. Eerst jy moet droom. Jy moet droom waar jy wil wees en wat jy wil bekom. Soos jy nog gesê het van environment, jy moet het change. As jy vir jouself, as jy plan, dan moet jy sekere goede in plek sit, because as jy beplanning doen, dan beteken jou mind moet constantly op dit wees.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so jy moet, soos ek sê, beplan, goeie droom het, en glo dat jy gaan groei.
Faith.
Ja, maar sê faith. Yes.
Ako my ding in. Faith. En met hy alleenlik, nee, ons kan dit ding ver vat. Faith for thou art small as a mustard seed.
Yes.
Thank you so. And by the way, faith is the substance to things you cannot see with your physical eye yet. So I agree with you. I totally agree with you. And to touch on the environment sector, what you just mentioned, it is very important. Makisak, and as ons praat van jou environment, when we talk about your environment, and when that has to intertwine with growth, I would say, intertwine.
Ek sien intertwine as ons mind.
Intertwine. Intertwine. Jy weet mos waar kry hy word.
Bro, los hy asseblief.
But nonetheless, if I had to bring the environment into the topic, I would say the following, and I would add on to what you said. It is the fact that your environment does matter. It is crucial for who you surround yourself with, and the environment, like even your conversations that you are sitting in, because those are the things that can intoxicate, first and foremost, your mind. And then when it comes from your mind, it's like an automatic, it takes on your spirit. And when it takes on your spirit, now you have this mood and you have this attitude. It can be either positive or it can be negative. And so therefore, you have to make the decision. It is a conscious decision that you have to make. I'm going to place myself in this environment because I know here is growth. No easy problem. Certain times or at times, our youngsters do not actually really know. Or they know, but it's just like, as Susan, hoekom try ons invat in die ding? I've realized, en nou ek is, ek weet nie, ek kan amper vir jou sê, and this is not I promise it's not about boasting. It's not about bragging or any. I'm real. It's honest. I'm sincere. I see myself as very different from a lot of young men, a lot of young people. For the following reason, I find myself to constantly not fit in, even though I want to fit in. Ek onthou, I was 'n tyd op laerskool gewees wat ek regtig wou invit because dit vir my gelyk as ek wat gaan met my aan, because I'm trying to understand al die boys rondom my is nie, hulle het net 'n ding aan hulle en is dit 'n soetjierige ding en is net so man, and I'm trying to figure out, is it me? Wat is fout? And so and ek weet nie, maar it's been like that all my life. I'm trying to figure out, en toe kom ek net op die punt en op die plek waar ek vir myself moes sê, oh man, but you're not meant to fit in. You can't fit in, and here's the thing, not that you can't fit in, it's because you are different. Here's the thing, we are too scared to be abnormal. En hy sê in 'n goeie lig, we are too scared sometimes to not fit in. Hoe staan jy uit as jy infit? Make that make sense.
Thing, né? How can you try and fit in? Né? The world rejected a perfect man. Why are you trying to fit into a world where the most perfect man
Didn't even fit in.
he didn't even fit in? But
Verstaan jy?
so like, wat is die punt van dit? En dit laat my dink net dat wat jy nog gesê het, maak sin as jy net 'n broad perspective dink, né? Ek maak nog voorbeeld van my. Everybody encouraged me, my parents. I even thought of going to Bastiaans originally. But by me going to Beaufort West Secondary, I was able to pursue poetry again. And I personally, with every fiber in my being, I believe if I didn't go to Beaufort West Secondary, I wouldn't have pursued poetry again. And the best thing to come out of all that is, now the 1st September, I'm doing a show with Quentin Steelman.
Jo.
En ek dink as jy nie poetry ken nie, of verstaan, gaan jy nie verstaan hoe kragtig is die naam van Quentin Steelman.
Wow.
It has given me the opportunity, by being different, to pursue things that I love and to be put on, not a pedestal, but to put in high regard. Because I think you once said it, don't go where you're tolerated, go where you're celebrated.
Yeah.
Because why are you just, okay, the man says, it's fine. When you enter the door, people should be, yes, he's our wife, he's our one. People should be proud to be in your presence. People should be happy to be in your presence.
Yeah, man.
Ja, om saam met Zayden daar te stem, wat my nou nogals 'n bietjie, wat ek nog vat daarby hom, is die feit dat hy praat van jy moet different wees.
Yeah.
En jou difference kan vir iemand 'n bedreiging ook wees.
Ooh.
Because daar's mense wat die wil hê jy moet different is. Daar's even mense wat jy moet saam met hulle wees soos wat hulle is. En dit kan nogal 'n bedreiging wees. So ek vat nogal daai different part. So as jy 'n change maak en jy wil different, jy wil a different person, of jy wil different things achieve of different things doen, dan kan dit nogal vir baie bedreiging.
Yeah.
Be ready for persecution.
Yes,
Be ready
to
for
be hated.
persecution.
so wanneer jy plan, dan moet jy room maak vir dit ook. Om terug te gaan na ons eerste punt.
Om terug te gaan na ons eerste punt.
Van dit, né? Om dit te dink, even though jy kan persecuted word, as jy stick met dit, dan gaan jy sien dat jy mense kry wat saam met jou die ding love wat jy dit love. Nie even that, there are going to be people that uplift you in the thing that you do. Because if I take myself an example, I have so many friends now and fellow artists, if I can call myself an artist.
Come on, artist. Yeah.
I have now so many fellow artists around me, even if it's in different types of art, that push me to skryf, bro, doen hy dan. Bro, gooi zo vir hy contest in. Like, if you genuinely keep going, you may face it. it's understandable, it's unavoidable. But if you also stick with it, you'll find people who uplift you. Ik heb iets medical gezien een keer op het veld. Ik praat nog specifiek van die sokkerveld, tussen die sokkermannen. Die way hoe hy mannen elkaar uplift en support. As jullie nou beklei samen dinge soos hulle. Ek gaan beklei sommer saam met julle en ek weet dus hoekom beklei julle, maar dat is team. Dat is your community. So die mense naturally wie om jou is, gaat ook vir jou uplift.
Yes.
So wat ek aflei is, so dan kry mense two kinds of environment. Like as mense wat jou support in jou vision of jou dat wij wil doen. En dan is daar weer die environment wat jou
afbreek.
Ja, so dan is het baie belangrik ook by die environment om te weet wat jy praat. Because jy kan jou planning en dit wat jy wil doen.
Exposing.
So,
ja, wow. Genuinely. Ek sien nog het.
Dit is diep, man. Julle grauw. Man, julle grauw diep, man. And I take what you guys are saying because it's so absolutely true, man. You know? So, met die wil ek dan iemand encourage te sê, do not be afraid to be different. Do not be afraid to be the change. Because sommige kere, even in that, now you see the problem, you see that this is the thing and this is that. And so you have the solution, but because everybody is against it, it's kind of like an,
yes, sir.
Should I?
You know what, nee?
You
Dan
know?
laat my nog uit zo'n snaakse story denk. Onthou jy in hoërskool altyd daar ons eksamen geskryf het. Dan was dit altyd dan is dit die antwoord, dan is dit hy antwoord. En nou zo antwoord is zo'n verschil, nou twyfel jy in jouself. Ja, so.
Hy twyfel nou sommer.
Hy twyfel nou sommer.
Jo, die man het gesê dat hy nou maar op die vraag 5 geskryf.
En die slechts van alles is, nee?
voel
Hy
jy.
twyfel so in zo. Dan kom van ze uit, nee, zo antwoord was anyways reg, was dinges en dinges antwoord.
Ja.
En weet jy wat het ek vir my gesê as op skool het die meneer of die juffrou altyd hy gehad. Kom Sandile, kom skryf ons die antwoord op die bord. Of kom werk ons uit. En wat het my gepush? Elke keer as ek gedink het, nee man, ek gaan 'n mistake maak of so, gaan ek gelag word. Maar wat my gepush het, wat as my antwoord reg gaan wees?
Yes.
Wat as my antwoord reg gaan wees? En van daai het ek ook gekyk hoe my vriende gaan react as my antwoord reg is of as hulle sien, wow, dis 'n heel different Sandile. Die is 'n Sandile wat ons gedink het wat gaan misluk. Die is 'n Sandile wat ons gedink het wat dit gaan reg kry. So baie keer dan moet 'n mens jouself glo en sê, wat as dit reg gaan wees?
Wat as dit reg gaat?
Wat as dit reg? En jy wil nie, en hier is die ander ding to end off tonight. Do not be the person that's going to say, what if?
Wow.
Ja, I don't know if you
Because die what if het die tendency om vir jou so te laat dink, ay, hoekom het ek die ding gedoen nie, why I didn't pursue this and all of that and all of that and wara and all of that, etc. But be, or let me rather say dare. I want to encourage somebody tonight and I want to say dare to be different. Dare to pursue that goal. Dare to do that thing that all the people and everybody that you told in wat jy gesê het, ek wil die ding doen, and I dare you to go and do that thing and pursue that thing.
Doen hy dan.
Sodat jy nie eendag hoef te sit met 'n what if nie. If I have to summarize everything in one setting, because growth goes with it, your environment goes with it. In fact, your environment, your growth comes from the environment you are in. And when you are in that environment that say you can succeed, that you can do this, you are able to dare cross the line of normality. You are able and you have the capacity rather than, in the process, in the long term, to say, you know what, I can do this. Believe in yourself and don't give up tonight, this morning, this afternoon, this month, this week. Ek wil nie hê jy moet opgee nie. I have a testimony. Miskien sal dit wees om julle deel. Guys, oh goodness, this was raw, this was beautiful, and I want you to know that you were on Beyond the Surface. Please do not pass this video by and yet nie like. And if you watch this and you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and dare to give us a follow. And so thank you that you were tuned in on Beyond the Surface with me, myself, Hillian Stoffel, Sindile Kwaiman, and Jaden Arense. We will be seeing you on the next episode. Blessed be.